I almost missed. Where there's a train. Yes, Subdivision. And there's another one down there. I was on my bike, and then what happened was I saw a light, and I was like, oh, hey. That's what I was like, and here we are. It has limited clear signal, so I've converged onto the other track. It was going kind of fast too. Not very fast. Alright. That was so close. And I had to work hard on going up the hill. What is the end? You guys are definitely down on Winterburn. Unless it's birthday, I don't think it is. We'll see. That was a standing intermodal train heading eastbound on the Edson Subdivision. See you when this train comes.